It doesn't even still have the same card. You got your money back? Yeah, the company worked with me.
You like your new toy?
Back for the down payment. You have a check for the down payment? I have another big statement.
Careful. Make it sing. Oh, there's Ricky. There's your boy.
I'm not gonna show you that.
Here comes your boy. Yeah, here comes your boy.
What month did you buy your car?
In December.
You like that? You're going to throw it. I know you.
There was posted. Transaction was January 29th.
Get it, Herb.
It said the date was
I don't like to touch your toys. You're mean when you touch your toys.
January 29th. The date was
You're selfish when it comes to your toys. Aren't you? Yes. You want this one? It's yours. Get it. Get your toy. Yeah. Your other toy? You want this one? Yeah. You like that one better?
did not give you $400.
Yay.
Okay, but did give you $100 towards the rent.
Yes.
Is that correct? Judgment for the plaintiff in the amount of $700. Go ahead, thank you.
Don't break it. You just got that today.
Because mostly because I had people over friends.
I did. I spoke up.
Make it play the song. There you go.